In this video, we will show the best study tables available to buy. At number 10. Home by Nilkamal Finley Study Table. The tabletop is made of engineered wood with a thickness of 15 mm. The medium-density fiberboard is light and durable. At number 9. Hometown Study Table. This study table can accommodate your daily essential needs. The smooth texture and lustrous honey finish makes it a stylish addition to complete your home decor. At number 8. Invisible Bed Study Table. It is elegant, stylish, multi-purpose wall-mountable foldable study laptop bedside table that saves space. It is made of good quality MDF. At number 7. Hometown Vento Study Table. It is the complete storage solution and foldable writing surface as study table and big 3 storage for books, bags, stationery items. At number 6. Spacewood Winner Study Table. The product requires carpenter assembly and will be provided by the seller. 36 months on manufacturing defects as per warranty card terms and conditions. At number 5. Deckup Versa Study Desk, Office Desk and Study Table. Product dimensions: length 47 inches 120 cm, width 16 inches 40 cm, height 47 inches 120 cm. At number 4. Hometown Venus Vento Engineered Wood Study Table. It is made of quality engineered wood. The unit is sturdy and built to last. It stands on a flat-weighted base for added stability. At number 3. Decostyle Multipurpose Study Table. The ergonomically and aesthetically design with CNC machined wood top in natural wood grain finish and glossy chrome polished legs made of stainless steel adds class and elegance to your living space. At number 2. Spacecrafts Wooden Folding Study Office Desk. It is made with pre-laminated engineered wood that makes it heavy-duty, sturdy, durable and large weight capacity. At number 1. Deckup Giona Office Desk and Study Table. This desk is made of engineered wood with melamine laminate, comes in dark Wenge color with matte finish. The product requires basic assembly.